Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create multiple accounts in Brawl Stars. For creating multiple accounts in Brawl Stars, what you need to do, open Brawl Star game on your mobile phone. Then if you haven't Supercell ID on your Brawl Star, then what you need to do, just register for it. So for this purpose, you have these three horizontal lines at the top right corner, tap on it. Then this type of list will appear. Here at the end, you have the option of Supercell ID, click on it. Once you click on it, then this type of page will pop up. Here you have the option of register now, click on it. Then here you have the button of continue, tap on it. Then the page of register will open on your screen. Here what you need to do, just enter your email and then re-enter it. Then once you done it, then here you have the next button on your keyboard, just click on it. Once you click on it, then here you have the option of register, tap on it. Then here one more step of entering code that Brawl Stars sent on your Gmail which you have entered. Once you get this code on your Gmail, then enter that code in these 6 boxes. Once you enter, then click on this submit button. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of OK, click on it. Then through this page, you can create new player ID for your Brawl Star account. Once you done this, then you have the button of continue, just click on it. Then from here, choose your avatar and then tap on continue. Once you done this, then this type of page will appear. Then on the top at the right side of your avatar, you have this settings button, click on it. Once you click on it, then settings page will appear on your screen. Here you need to scroll down. Then under your email, you have the option of switch account, click on it. Then by tapping on login to Supercell ID, you can create multiple accounts in Brawl Stars. So this is the way you can easily create multiple accounts in Brawl Stars. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.